What's up, guys? Galapagos Jake here. So I've just finished cleaning up all the components, so I'm now ready to assemble all the stuff that I've disassembled for cleaning, and this video is just going to be all about that. One thing I do have to note is that I don't have a steering wheel right now. The steering wheel up there is just too dirty, and there's no way for me to clean it up for now. So I'm going to be getting a new steering wheel very soon. And I need to get a new AIM sort of data logger as well. So it's going to come with the steering wheel. Hopefully I have enough money for that within the next month. Anyway, so this is going to be a very long project anyway. So yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to start assembling the stuff now. Yeah. Alright guys, so I've just finished assembling all the components. They're not completely done yet because I still need to have cables connecting these brake systems. But basically the major components are done. I need to completely flush out the brake system just in case there are like water or any residue left in there. This is the rear brake piston, and this is the front brakes and the front brake piston. So yeah, I'm gonna start polishing some of the parts for the front brake piston, no, the rear brake piston, and I'm gonna assemble all the cabling and wire for it as well. So let's do that. All right, so I've basically polished all the parts that needs to be attached to the brakes. The reason I've polished it is, one, the oxidation on these parts are really bad, so it's going to affect the movement of these parts. Second thing is these parts are not going to be used for high-powered engine anymore. So I can afford to take away a little bit of material from these parts. But even if I put the ROK back on, it should work fine as a practice car anyway. I won't be using this for participating in races. anyway, so it's just more for practicing and testing out engines and stuff like that. So these parts can afford to have a bit of material taken out of it. But if it's for like the original parts, I won't be doing that, obviously. Anyway, so it's time for assembling these parts. All right, guys, it's been a couple of days, and finally my chassis has arrived. There you go. And I got a new co-seat. Look at that. Very nice. So I'll be assembling the entire Kart today. Let's go. Check it out, guys. That is a beautiful blue. So, oh crap, out of focus. So this is a very similar color to Lando Norris Kart, which is what I was trying to go for anyway. That's beautiful. Yep. Anyway, let's start fitting all the rest of the stuff onto the chassis. Hey guys, so it's been a whole day now. I haven't even gone to lunch yet, but it's about time to go home for dinner, so whatever. Anyway, I've pretty much fitted everything that I've tried to fit on today onto the cart, and it seems like I missed out a lot of the filming in the process, which is really annoying. I keep forgetting to do it, but here's the result for today. So here it is with my own race team livery. This is going to be a training cart as well, so I will be fitting a radio system and also a sort of a video transmission system similar to that of the drones that people use, a bit like this one that I fitted on the TB cart. This TB cart is now able to transmit video as it's running. The range is about 200 to 300 meters. Anyway, so yeah, as you can see, the front braking system is in place. The rear brake is also in place, but the brake disc I need to replace because this is a really disgusting brake disc. I was just putting it in place so that I can, you know, I know where everything fits. Anyway, so everything is basically done. Now I'm missing a proper rear axle for my 4-stroke engine, which I'm going to build very soon. It's going to be pretty powerful 4-stroke. I'm also getting a new steering wheel and also an AIM data logger. Yeah, I'm gonna get a new set of slick tires as well. The old ones are pretty bad. So yeah, I think that's as much as I can work on this particular cart now. Hopefully more parts will arrive very soon. Anyway, Galapagos J signing out. Yeah, let's sign out from the front. Yeah, that looks better. Anyway, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.